Explore the journey of project management excellence from initiation to delivery. Clearly outline project goals and objectives for a shared sense of purpose. Build a strong foundation on teamwork and camaraderie among project members for enhanced collaboration. Craft a roadmap and develop a strategic plan, including timelines and milestones, to guide the project efficiently. Effective communication, which implements a robust communication plan for seamless information flow within the team. Mitigate risks on your project by identifying them and assess potential risks, developing strategies to minimize their impact on project outcomes. Optimize resources and allocate personnel and resources effectively to ensure maximum productivity. Track milestones of utilize project management tools to monitor progress and make data-driven decisions. Ensure excellence in implement quality assurance measures to meet and exceed project expectations. Prioritize client satisfaction through open communication and exceeding project deliverables. Achieving excellence, celebrate the culmination of hard work and effective project management, unlocking the full potential of your team and organization.